In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page width to full width. If you've ever felt like your content looks cramped or your images don't have enough room to breathe, switching to a full width layout can make a big difference. It gives your page a modern, spacious feel, and it's perfect for wide visuals, charts, or sections that need more horizontal space. First, head to the page where you want to make this change. Make sure you're looking at the exact page whose layout you want to adjust. If your tool or platform has different modes, the option might appear in view mode or only when you're editing. Either way, once you're on the right page, you're ready to go. Give the page a moment to fully load, especially if it contains large images or embedded media, so that the layout change applies cleanly. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the triple dot icon. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu. It's typically three small dots stacked vertically or arranged horizontally. Click that icon to open a small menu. This menu usually holds quick layout settings, view options, and other page level controls. If you don't immediately see what you need, scroll within that menu if it's scrollable or hover over any layout related items to reveal more choices. Now in that menu, click on the option labeled Full Width. Depending on your platform, it might be a simple toggle, a layout preset, or a checkbox. As soon as you select it, your page will expand from edge to edge, removing side margins so your content can stretch across the full available space. Take a moment to scan the page from top to bottom. You should notice wider image displays, more room for multi-column sections, and a cleaner, more immersive look. If text lines now feel too long, consider how your content is structured. Headings, subheadings, and short paragraphs can help maintain readability on a wider canvas. Also keep an eye on any embedded elements. Most will adapt automatically, but it's good practice to confirm nothing overflows or looks misaligned. If you ever prefer the previous look, you can return to the same triple dot menu and switch away from full width using the same control. That's all there is to it. Go to the page, open the triple dot menu in the top right, and click full width. With that quick change, your content gets the space it deserves, and your page immediately feels more polished and impactful.